In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft Create Mod with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be discussing some easy ways in which you will be able to play the Create Mod with friends on multiplayer. So the Create Mod is available on CurseForge and also other pages, and if you want to do multiplayer, you have plenty of options to choose from. Of course, the main one that takes a while but is viable is to host your own server. So you download the necessary server files, you include the Create Mod in that server, and you port forward so your friends are able to join you through your IP. However, a lot of people don't feel comfortable doing this. Port forwarding can be tricky, and of course, hosting a server through this way can be very resource intensive on your PC. So, besides paying a server, what else can you do? One of the best mods that allows you to play with friends is going to be the Essential mod. The Essential mod can be installed and you can add your friends using the social features on this mod. So go to essential.gg and click the option to download. As you can see, it is an installer, so very easy to set up. As you can notice in this video, it's as simple as opening up the pause menu and using the options at the right side of the screen. They will have a new social tab where you can add your friends using their username, and after both of you have added each other through the menu here on Essential, you can invite each other. So they make the process extremely convenient and simple. You can even message your friends. Besides this, like I said before, you will have to set up a server manually, so you will have to create the server using the necessary jar files, or you need to pay for a hoster. Essential is going to be the best way and best option. Like I said before, kind of jokingly, essentially it is going to be a very convenient way to get all of this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft Create Mod with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.